hard raining here tonight. Well, it's probably gonna rain. It's gonna rain until like 3 o'clock. Probably around 3 o'clock. Yeah, it's a beautiful day on the Duncan Boys with my channel. It's a pretty good day with the rain. It's relaxing and everything. Yeah, real relaxing. And yeah, it's real relaxing actually. So I'll update you on the other videos, but I'll update you on the shorts, but if you haven't already seen my shorts, yeah, it's pretty cool. Well, I'm just gonna sit here and just relax on the porch.